Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the most amazing hair growth treatment that you can use on your hair in order to thicken your hair, minimize shedding, and grow your hair longer and faster. So if you like to see how I make this maximum hair growth treatment, then watch this video to the end. So this is a treatment that has really helped me grow my hair thicker and longer in a very short period of time, as the treatment is made with two very powerful ingredients, fenugreek seeds and black seeds, which are all known to boost hair growth, minimize shedding, and thicken the hair. So to make this recipe is quite very simple. All you'll be needing is a glass jar and some water in it. So I'm just going to be measuring some seed. I'm going to start with the black seed, and then I'm going to move to the fenugreek seed as you will see in the video. After doing that, I'm just going to shake it to make sure that they mix well together, and then I'll store it in a dark place for 1 week so the ingredients have time to release their properties into the water. Now while that be fermenting, I'm just going to take the one I made last week and show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll go ahead and extract the water, and then I will use it in my scalp. Like I already said, if you use this treatment consistently in your hair, you will definitely notice your hair becoming thicker, fuller, and most importantly, you will notice that it is growing healthier. Fenugreek also helps to restore moisture into your scalp, so you won't notice any dryness from using fenugreek seeds very frequently in your scalp. Black seeds are known to boost hair growth, so this is a very powerful remedy like I already told you guys. So I'm just going to separate the water from the seeds. When you're done separating, do not throw away these seeds, as I'm going to show you guys in the following videos on this series how to use these seeds to make a deep conditioning treatment that will go a long way to moisturize your hair follicles and provide nutrients for hair growth. So after separating the water from the seeds, I'm just going to transfer the water into my application bottle. I prefer to use an application bottle because it's less messy and it gets the water directly to my scalp and hair. So as you can see, there is already some oil in my application bottle. This is actually my favorite oil for hair growth. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this maximum hair growth oil, which we'll be using during this 5 months maximum hair growth journey to massage our scalp on daily basis, and also we'll be using this oil to regrow our edges. So this oil is made up of clove oil and black castor oil. Make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I post this clove oil video, because clove oil alongside castor oil can go a long way to strengthen your hair follicles and also boost new growth. I've gone ahead to add some essential oils into this oil, so make sure to check my video that I'll be explaining to you guys, as well as showing you guys exactly how I made this oil. That being said, I'm just going to add my fenugreek water into my application bottle that's already containing my clove oil and my castor oil. After doing that, I'm going to mix that very well to make sure that everything is properly incorporated into each other, and then I'm going to be applying it to my hair and scalp. For maximum results, make sure to use this at least 3 times a week on your hair and scalp before bedtime. All you need to do is apply a bit to your hair and scalp, give your scalp a good massage, and then you can go to bed. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I apply it. So as you guys can see, I'm focusing on the roots. I'm making sure that I get this powerful hair growth mixture to my scalp, following that up with a gentle massage to increase and stimulate blood flow to my scalp. As you all know, increase in blood flow to the scalp equals healthy scalp, healthy hair follicles, which in turn leads to hair growth. So you want to make sure that you give yourself a good scalp massage for at least 6 minutes. Then you can go ahead and cover your head and then go to bed. You can store this mixture in the fridge for up to a week. So whenever I make this treatment, I just make exactly the amount I need to use so I don't have any excess after the week runs out. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you have used fenugreek seeds or black seeds in your hair regimen before, let me know down in the comment section what you think about using these two ingredients in your hair. Thanks, and see you guys in the next video.